guys, welcome back to Anointed Bling. It's your girl here, Rein, with another awesome brief tutorial. Look at these absolutely cute little mirrors that I found at my local Dollar Tree. They also come in white, and I'm doing an event, and I decided these would be perfect for some cute little quotes that we can put on the table. So I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to do that coming up right now. Jumping right in here, we're going to start with our word designs. I have to make 10 of these. I have a statement here, and you see I'm just going through each section of it and just scrolling through my thousands and thousands and thousands of fonts. The possibilities are endless here. If you're like me, I'm such a font hoarder. But once my design is done, I'm just going to select it all and attach it. Now, this will allow it to cut out on the mat in one square, and then I'm going to utilize that space to put all my other quotes, and I can probably get about 9 on one board. Now, if you're using vinyl that requires you to lay it the opposite side on the mat, you want to make sure that you mirror that as you just saw me do. So here's all my quotes. Just play with a little bit. Because I'm transferring it over, it's running a little slow. There we go. It's up on the mat now, and you can see I've got about 9 of those on that one sheet so that I don't have to keep adding vinyl and cutting. It'll cut these all at one time, and then I just have to cut one more because I got 9 on here, and I needed 10. Again, don't forget to mirror it depending on the vinyl that you're using. All right, then you're going to go into, when you're ready to cut, into the cutting, and you're going to select what vinyl you're using. I was using the glitter vinyl, as you can see here, and I didn't fast cut it. Now, this is taking its time because some of those fonts are really intricate, and I don't want the finer details to be lost. So here it is cut. I didn't show the weeding process because this gave me so much trouble. Oh my God, I hate this vinyl. I will probably never use it again, but I finally did get it nice and weeded out, and I have all my 10 phrases cut. Using my Cricut transfer tape, I'm going to adhere that to the tape and then put it on the mirror. This is where I really had the most trouble, you guys. Getting this to lift up off of that sucked. It took me forever. Even had to pull out the big spatula, as you can see, so I was rubbing, but I did finally get it, and here's how it came out. It really actually looks really cute. The end result made it worthwhile for me, but again, I probably won't be using that particular vinyl just because it was too hard. Here is the final look, and I really like how these came out. They're so cute. You can do table numbers at your wedding. You can spruce up your parties with these messages. Now, the one thing I didn't show you on camera is I put those little crystals that you see just in those little loopy loops on that, just to jazz it up a little bit. Now, this can be reused, so you can get this vinyl off because this vinyl isn't that great. So if you're using a really good vinyl, this might not apply, but I can actually get this off by soaking it a little Windex and scraping it off. That'll come off. You want to be careful because you want to keep the integrity of the mirror, but then again, these are only $1, so you could always just go buy more. But if you're wondering, I found that mine actually could come off, and I can reuse these. But I think this is a great enhancement. These are transformation quotes that are going to be on the table that are reflective of what we're doing throughout the conference and what we're talking about on that day. And so it's just a nice little way to encourage others and just to do something really cute and creative. And you know what? These are only $1. All right, you know what I'm going to say? The work of your hands are blessed. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Don't keep me a secret. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next project, y'all, be blessed.